Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear in the evening, becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. Thanksgiving Day, partly cloudy in the...
Oh, there we go.
Potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ, 93 Cridersville, Ohio. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio.
Shut up, ER10. Stop doing that.
Highs in the upper 50s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s.
What the hell?
South winds around 5 miles an hour. Thanksgiving Day, partly cloudy in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s.
All stations repeat the test message.
Thursday night, cloudy. A chance of rain in the evening, then rain likely after midnight. Lows in the lower 40s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. 70%.
Hey.
Shut the hell up, Landon. Nobody cares what she said. We know your freaking test ain't until like 11:30. Shut the hell up.
Haha. Only one of the WR100 is activated. Haha.
Friday night, partly cloudy.
Whoa. What? Okay, I think I just turned that on. That's probably what happened.
Highs in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 30%.
Y'all remember JFK? He got assassinated yesterday.
Lows in the lower 40s.
Yeah, years ago.
80%. Sunday, mostly
First activation of the V5.
He died.
highs in the upper
First
40s.
activation of the V5 Deluxe.
Partly cloudy. A chance of rain in the evening. Lows in the lower 30s.
I can tell you a lot
Pi
of shit
2-1
with
went
this
off.
ass, but actually, hold on. Actually, that'd be accurate. He's always asking me about
Partly
that shit.
cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Tuesday.
Alright, 262, thanks for playing dumb with me and not activating.
Highs around 50.
And same goes with the 250 again. No surprise that didn't go.
Presents and shit, we're gonna come down your chimney and shove it up your ass. If you've been good, get ready for some shit. If you're bad, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Did I ask?
There will be another system that moves into the area for the weekend.
That's what I thought.
God, she really needs to come back. He was that bad, I need to change that.
Perfect WR100 activation. Well, those ones don't really count. What? Okay, you bloody wanker. Okay, you bloody wanker. Okay, I'm turning this down. Yeah, good for you.
National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the emerging area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. At 11 a.m., weather report. Conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this podcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. Alert will be activated for selected watches in the morning, affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Florida, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Benz, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Louisville, DeKalb, McLean, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Bell, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Blacksky, and Jay. Aldine and Van Wert, and in Michigan, Marion, St. Joseph, Ranch, and Hillsdale. For more information, please see our webpage at weather.gov. Radio station WX 4 Visit our website, radioweather.com/WX. 11:32 a.m. Chance of rain 40%. Monday, the 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time weather conditions. In Fort Wayne, skies were mostly sunny. The temperature was 47 degrees.
Alright, this went. That motherfucker failed. The V3 failed, even though it was getting clear reception. I would be surprised if this is ghosting me later. Alright, here's its plug.
Weather conditions. Allen County Airport under fair skies. The temperature was 41 degrees and the humidity 42%. The wind southwest at 6 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 30.25 inches and rising. In Ohio and Indiana. In Dayton Fair at 49. In Toledo Fair at 48. In Findlay Fair at 51. In Wapaton Meadow Fair at 48. In Columbus Fair at 45. Over Northeast Ohio, Cleveland Fair at 48. And in Indiana at Fort Wayne Fair at 47. Once again at 11 a.m. at the Lima, Allen County Airport is 51 degrees under fair skies. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. Rest of today, sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Maybe, if I can put this bitch in.
It's becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s.
There we go.
Around 5 miles an hour.
Rain gets small, but you can't get. Copyright, copyright.
Highs in the upper 50s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Copyright, copyright.